High-level rough molding tool FMR P-positive. Excellent for high-hardness molding and heat-resisting alloy. FMR P-positive is Corloy Future Meal, new lineup that provides enhanced cutting to solve product's hardness and vibration problem. Wide curved surface, contact surface, and flattened radial prevention surface prevents radiation that can be occurred during process, minimizing vibration and recognizing corner. 4 to 8 out of the relief surfaces are isotropic, designed to provide a large relief angle around the insert circumference to prevent unstable clamping of the insert and also enhance surface roughness and insert's tool life. In FMR P-positive holder setup, axial inclination angle is negatively formed in order to improve cutting, thus reducing contacting surface and minimizing vibration, eventually improving chipping resistance. As a result, FMR P-positive's insert and holder reduce vibration and thus enhances process quality and expectancy. FMR P-positive's chip breaker has various lineup for customers' suitable usage, including aluminum, titanium, and Inconel, fine finishing, wide usage, and high hardness usage. Such various chip breaker composition allows different processing as facing, shouldering, helical cutting, ramping, and slotting. Furthermore, with a combination of various chip breakers and grades suitable for multiple workpieces, make this tool very versatile. With stable insert structure and clamping system, stable performances can be observed for various demanding machining needs. Corloy's Mold Tool Future Mill Series FMR P-positive will now become the new revolution of Corloy for perfect processing. Corloy.